What is the main message of the Bible? The main message of the Bible is that God is restoring the world to his original design through Jesus Christ. The world is in a state of brokenness because of mankind's rejection of God and his plan. Jesus entered into a broken and hurting world to die on the cross to restore mankind to God. There are lots of different opinions when it comes to interpreting the Bible's main message. How do we know which one to go with? The best way to interpret the Bible is to start with the big picture themes and ideas. What does the Bible say that its main message is? The different parts of the Bible can be explained in terms of the kingdom of gods. The kingdoms of God is the reason God created the world's best, the reason Jesus came to die on the cross so that people can enter into the kingdom of God. God has a good plan for the world and the people he created to rule over the earthquake. To understand the main message of the Bible, you have to understand the theme of the kingdom of gods. It will help you get an overview of the Bible. Words like subdue it and have dominion in Genesis chapter 1 verse 28 describe how man is to use God's authority to bring